close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on goes till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, a shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good. Alright everybody, so welcome back after a long time, and so far I've been simply stuck with the things I don't even know. Rather, I just saw them for the first time in my life, and they simply blew my mind. Like, they do the great job, but the logic behind them, that's easy, but it's like it's my first time, so it was too much for me, but never mind. Let's continue. So over here, let me try to explain whatever I've done today, because I've done so much, seriously. Oh my god, how am I even gonna be managed to remember all the things? So far, I've covered many things. I am able to remember them as well. It's not like that, but suddenly I got some of the things. I will only be able to keep them in mind when I just work on the things on my own. By the way, let's keep it on the light side, whatever side, maybe on the right one. Then you know what? The thing is that I have to go through my code just right now. If I don't go through the code right now, I will forget everything. And that is why let's go through it together, because it's been too much. I'm using server actions, I'm using Zustand, I'm using mutations, and ultimately Tanstack. Now let's talk about them, and not only that, I'm using some of the extra things too. First of all, Zustand used is for just managing the state and all, and managing some of the functions, which actually, yeah, just the functions and all, just managing the state and all. So this does that job, that's okay. Then I have server actions, so that I can actually talk to the database directly, and then I'm using Tanstack to manage the states, but this is mainly gonna be about changing the data, like making the requests, post requests, fetch requests and all, and these requests are gonna be made directly from the client component. And having said that, you will get lots of other states, like whether it's loading and all. So it simply does that job like this. So this much I've learned so far. Let's start from the beginning. The very first thing that I made over here, that is to do actions. The easiest way, or ultimately this is the action that I create, and I will be calling this action to just save my to do to the database. What is happening over here? Pretty interesting thing. First of all, I have created to do schema. First of all, I even created schema. What am I doing with that schema? Of course, first of all, I'm using Zod over Zustand, not Zustand, just Zod. So I'm using Zod over here. Using Zod, I created this schema. So first of all, this is the schema that got created. Pretty simple thing, nothing hard in it. So I should not talk about it much. Again, easy to understand. So let's get rid of it. Once the schema got created, I came back here, and even before that, I also created my model. So I created validation schema. Great. I created models. Okay, so this is where I created a simple model. Again, nothing to explain over here. Things are just as simple as they could ever be. So here as well, I don't need to worry about anything. Great job. So I've covered my models, I've covered my validations. Pretty thing. I have some types and also, don't worry about that. Types is kind of TypeScript thing, easy peasy. Okay, this much I've done. Then I came here. What am I doing over here? First of all, validation. I'm validating the data. Once I validated the data, I'm not using save parse. I'm using just directly parse there. So that is why I will get my data directly. One check whether, because I've never done it, right? Check whether you get the data direct. Let's make it a to do so that I can easily find it. To do, check whether you get the data directly here or not. So this is what I have to just check again. Never mind, then I'm connecting to the database, that's okay. And especially when I'm connecting to the database, over here I am some extraordinary things I have added. What are those extraordinary things? First thing is that, of course, I'm getting my data MongoDB URL from the env file environment variables. That is fine. Then I'm actually creating a global cache, so that if there is a correction already made, and if there's a promise that I have, that gets saved in the global cache. So I'm simply saying that global.mongoose, again I have defined it in my global.d.ts file. So inside types I have global.d.ts file, over here I've said that I have something called variable mongoose, and inside this I have a connection and promise, and these are the types and all of this. So don't worry about that. Because of this thing only I'm not getting any error and all. So this thing I did, and when it comes to this, so first of all I defined a mongoose variable in the global state globally, and then I'm simply checking that whether that value does exist or not. If that value does not exist, then I'm saying that I will make it exist. So cached is gonna be equals to what? Cached is going to be equals to global.mongoose, of course, and global.mongoose will have the value, this value. So ultimately connection, null and promise and all, this is the value that is assigned to global.mongoose, and global.mongoose is assigned to cache and all. So this again one question that's gonna be again to do check how this works. Okay, so this is another to do that I have, and after that what am I doing? I'm simply checking that okay, global.mongoose, that means cache. So cache must have the connection. So if that already has the connection, simply return from here. If that does not have the connection, then do one thing, keep the assign promise cache.promise, the promise that we get from the connection. So cached promise is equal to mongoose.connect string MongoDB and all, and whatever we are doing, that's just simple stuff over here. Again, I'm not worried about this much. Once I got the connection string, then I'm simply checking whether I have the connection or not, cache.connection. If I have that, I'm awaiting it. If I get any error, then okay, cache.promise.economy equals to null, throw error. I'm of course throwing the error. And lastly, I'm returning cache.connection. Why am I even returning it? It's not even needed actually. You don't really need to return anything from here, from this particular function, but in case if you return that, that's fine, it's up to you. And then I'm simply exporting a default like connected. So even I'm not worried about this. So far things are okay. I created this schema, I validated the data, then I connected to the DB and all. After that, I'm actually I got the data, right? So I'm saving the data in the database, and that's it. I'm returning success true. And the thing is that over here, first of all, I'm stringifying because this is already in the form of object. But this, if it is already in the form of object, that means it has lots of its own methods, its own functions, its own other prototypes and all. So if I want to get rid of them, so first of all, I'm actually converting them to the string format, and after that I'm parsing it again. So when after converting it to string, and when I'm parsing it, there are no prototypes, functions and all. So it's actually free from them. And when it is actually free from them, then I can actually pass it to the client side, because if it has its own method, so that cannot be passed to the client side. So that is the thing. That is why I'm just doing this over here. And one more thing I can say, keep this doing it to get rid of the default methods of the object. As simple as that. I hope you got that. And then once this is clear, I'm just simply sending it from here. If there's any error that I got, I'm simply sending the error as well. Again, is this difficult? No, this is just a server action thing that I learned a few days ago, that that is easy for me. Is this okay for me? Yes, it's completely fine. So I've created server actions for me. I created my db.ts, even that is fine. I created model, that is also fine. I created types, that is also fine. So let's get rid of this. I create validation, that is also fine. So what is remaining right now? Now let's go to hooks. I created hooks. Why did I create hooks? Because I'm using Zustand. What will Zustand do? Zustand will manage my state, as simple as that. So let's click on use create to do, and even before that I created the state as well. So these are the two things that I actually created over here, and let's go through them one by one. So first one is the hook that I actually created, and hook, why is this even here? Hook is mainly for use mutation, and this store is mainly for Zustand. So the todo.store.ts that I actually created, that is mainly for Zustand. And over here, first of all, that you can directly create and then go ahead with this thing. And over here I added some extra things. Dev tools mainly used for some extra features and all, so that you can use that. Having said that, I have to explore it. So that's gonna be another to do explore more about it. So this is the thing that I have to do. After that, simple, I am using dev tools. Again, this is coming from Zustand middleware, so these things are being used together, so don't really need to worry about anything. And then inside that, I have this set method, and this set method simply sets the value, and I have to do filter. And again, it simply takes the types, and also I have already created the type. The to do's are gonna be the type of this, and then I have filtered, can be type of this, is loading. And as for filter, I'll check this thing out. So to do, again, check if this is correct and all. So this is the thing done. Then I have is loading boolean, set to do's. These are just the methods. Set to do's will take the to do's and simply just return the void. I mean, it will not return anything. Then I have add to do, simply does the same thing, just simply takes the to do and adds it. Then I have set filter, simply filters it. And this is again to do dot state and dot filter. This is something that I need to explore it. So to do, know more about it. So there are so many things that actually went out of my head, but overall idea I have, like, okay, this is how it's working. Then I have set loading boolean, that's all right. So this is how I've been just simply going ahead. By the way, this is all about the type, so I don't need to worry about that. So these are the variables, fields that I created. Then I have some of the methods over here, they are doing their own job. So set to do is simply adding the to do to this particular to do variable. So set to do, I'm simply getting the to do, and I'm just simply returning those to do, setting it. And if I'm returning an object, I'm setting an object, that means this particular to do will be set automatically. Similarly, add to do, once I got the to do, so I'm returning an object, and that object will be setting the all to do's. But before that, I'm even confirming that once I'm actually returning the to do's, that is okay. At that time, I have the new to do's that I've got, and then I'm destructuring the previous to do's. So ultimately, I have both of them. Similarly, I'm setting the filter. So once it came to set the filter, so I'm just simply returning filter here. Whatever you return, that value gets saved over here. As simple as that. And then I'm returning set is loading. Whatever you return, again I'm returning is loading, so that will be saved over here. So this is how things are gonna be going ahead. And this is the dev tools option and again this is optional. I can say I can know more about it, but ultimately this is how the overall things are working right now. Do I need to go really deep? I do need to, but not right now, because right now I'm just simply getting the command over everything. So this thing is done. Am I worried about this? Not really. It's simple. It is just managing that state, and that is completely fine. Whenever I need that state, I can get the state, and easy peasy. I mean, not really worried about this. Okay, not worried about this, not even worried. Okay, this thing, hook that I created. Why did I create the hook? There could be two ways. Either I created the hook, or I could have just used it there only. So I just created the hook, and that is use mutation hook and all. So even am I worried about this? A little bit, but not really. Why? Because this is the same mutation hook. What I'm doing, this is something new that I got over here. It is mainly for making sure that the values are always the same. What I'm actually doing over here, that is I'm creating keys over here, and the keys is all in the all there's all field key, and that is that array is assigned to that, and again that array has to do. And then I created a method called list, and whenever that method is called, new array is returned with that all keys that were already there, and then lists. What happens with that? So whenever I invalidate this, whenever I invalidate queries, at that time new data comes, as simple as that. So I have use create to do. What will this do? What will this do? Use create to do will simply return me the mutation. What does this mutation do? Mutation is all about creating, posting, putting, fetching, deleting and all. So ultimately, if I'm saying that use create to do, so at the end of the day I will be returning a mutation, that is right. So I'm just simply doing that. I have a query client, I have add to do. Where am I getting this thing from? Again, I'm getting it from use to do store. This is just all about the state and all. Is this even needed? Not needed right now, but later I'll need it, so I just imported it, and I'm simply returning the use mutation. It simply takes two things. It takes the function, it takes the success. When it comes to the function, so it takes the data. So whenever I'll be calling this mutation, whatever this object will be returned from here, it will return an object. So on that object, calling mutation.mutate and all, at that time I will provide the data. So that same data is coming here, and once I got the data, I'm simply giving the data to create to do. What is this now? This create to do is coming from to do actions. That is the action that I created. What does this do? That action simply takes the data in the DB, as simple as that, and returns some result and all. Once I got that, so if on success, so if a result dot success, I will, of course it returns the success and all. But result dot success is true, I am just simply gonna be adding that particular data that I got from there to the state again, and add to do again, I'm getting it from the state only. You use to do store. This is all about Zustand. And then at the end of the day, query client, I'm just simply invalidating it. Why I'm invalidating it? So that whenever the success is done, at that time, if that succeeds, at that time I just want to invalidate all the data. That means the new data should come, as simple as that, and that is why I'm just simply invalidating it. By the way, I will be knowing more about it. So that's gonna be to do. No, that's gonna be actually to do. I have many to dos. Know more about this, as simple as that. So this thing is also done. What is the problem? I'm facing network issue. No, I'm not. Let's do it like this. Okay, so this thing is done. What is the next thing that I did? First of all, this is pretty simple. So whenever I'll be calling it, I will be getting my mutation and all, and I'll be done with this. Ultimately, this thing is also done. So I'm done with actions. I'm done with the hook that I created. Okay, yeah, hook for mutation only. Lib done, models done, public story is also done, types is also done, validation is done. So ultimately, most of the things I'm already done with. That's one last thing that is that I have inside my page.tsx. Again, is there something? Nothing. So I can just simply remove it. Okay, and I just have my to-do form, and everything is happening inside this to-do form, and I have this to-do form inside components. Inside components, I just created, even I created providers. What is this provider thing? This provider thing is nothing. Like if I want to use mutation, at that time I need to get the query client provider, and then I need to create a query, and I need to pass client I need to pass query client and all. And once that is done, that means I will be able to use mutation everywhere. What does this use mutation do? First of all, this thing, that if you want to use mutation or if you want to use query, what it actually does: use query fetches the data, use mutation simply mutates the data. First of all, this thing, and all wherever you are using that, all the children needs to be wrapped that should be wrapped with this client query client provider. So that is why I've wrapped it over here. Lastly, I have this particular section, and in this particular section I learned actually some of the things that are kind of new for me. What is the first thing that I learned? I learned about this form. First of all, this, is it like I'm not getting anything? No, I'm getting the things, but the thing is that it would be better to know more about it. So to do know more about it. By the way, what is actually happening by default? Normally what is happening, first of all, I'm getting create to do mutation. Where am I getting it from? From the hook that I created for the mutation. So once I got my create to do mutation, I can call mutate on it, and I can just simply go ahead. I even have is open and on, so that is fine. Then I have this form. What is this form do? This form simply returns me everything related to the form. So I'm using this use form. Where is this even coming from? So this use form is coming from React hook form. What it does, this is just a hook that I have, and it gives me the information about the form of mine that I have right now. So it has a resolver, and that is Zord resolver. What does this even do? It simply takes the schema. That means it will check whether whatever data I am adding, that data is correct or not. So this use form hook, first of all, I'm getting it from React use form, and then it gives me all the information of my form. Another thing, it takes the resolver, and that is the Zord resolver. Again, that Zord resolver I'm getting from hook form /resolver /Zord. Okay, so once I have this thing over here, so I can give it my schema, my Zord schema that I created. Once I give it my Zord schema, it will keep checking whether the email is right, whether the title is right and all. And I'm even giving the default values, like okay, default value is gonna be title, description, and priority is gonna be medium where on my form. So this form will tell me everything about my form as soon as I submit that. So this thing is done. Then I have on submit, pretty much simple. I'm creating this particular method over here, and first of all, I have create to do mutation. I'm already calling mutate on it, and I'm giving it data. Really important thing, as soon as I give it my data, it will call that mutate function. So ultimately this mutate function that comes from there. So this particular function will be called. So ultimately things are just connected from to each other. So first of all, I'm using the mutation that I created, and then I'm calling it mutate, and again it's gonna be asynchronous, so I'm just using that. There are two things, right? Asynchronous and synchronous. It needs to be asynchronous so that the work gets done the proper way. And once this thing is done, then I must be getting the result. Once I got the result, why will I even get the result? The result is all about, because I'm calling this, right? So if result.data is equal to success, so whenever I call my mutate, what do I get? Let's check this thing out properly. If I call my mutate, I learned it just yesterday. Whenever I called my mutate, well, this is not the one that I should be looking for. I should go here, and whenever I call my mutate, mutate, come on, use query is here, so I need to just go use query. Use mutation is over here, and whenever that particular thing is called, and that thing is called over here, so whenever mutation is called, at that time, first of all, the user, whatever function I have, that runs, and I get the data over here. Once I got the data over here, ultimately I get the result. Once I got the result over here, if I'm simply returning it, that means that particular thing is also returned, as simple as that. What I'm doing over here is pretty simple. Let's keep it on the right side. It's gonna be like this. So what I'm actually doing over here, that I'm calling mutate async on mutation, that object that I got. Once I'm calling it over here, so if I go actually there, if I actually have a look at this, so it returns what? The use mutation that I have. It returns okay, let's forget about that. If I actually have a look at that use mutation over here, so at this particular time, I'm just simply returning the whole mutation from here. That means if I'm actually assigning it to anything, that I'm getting the result over here, that's fine. But the question is that whenever I call it, how am I getting the result over here? I'm calling this thing, the data goes there, I get the data over there, that's okay. How am I getting the data here as well? That is something I need to check. To do again, that's gonna be no more about it, as simple as that. So this particular thing is also done, the result.success. Again, once I call it, I get my result. I can check whether result.success is true or not. If that's true, then toast.success is gonna be created successfully. I will be resetting the form. This form object is gonna be connected to the form directly, and once it is connected, it will have all the information of the form. It will be even connected to the form. So whenever I said from.reset, form will be reset. Set is open, is gonna be false. Close.return, and all these things are pretty much simple, so I don't need to worry about it. The most important thing is over here. By the way, this is also optional, just for showing purpose and all. But I'm saying that this button will be shown only when that is open and false. So do I need to worry about it? Not really. As soon as I click on it, it will be true, and then once it is true, the form itself will open. So what the most important thing is this, that on submit, I have a form. On submit, I'm actually using that form. Using that form, I'm getting a method called handle submit. What is where am I getting it from? I'm getting it from use form directly. This is the hook that I have, and that use form directly providing me the method, like form.handle submit. I will give it my submit method, and inside submit method, I'm already calling my mutate. I'm mutating the data, and once that thing is done, then I will be getting all my data. Having said that, how will I be getting all my data? Using this. So first of all, form.register title. This simply registers that. I need to restructure it so that it actually gets assigned over here. But ultimately, I have this particular method. I restructure the method. That means the values are already saved inside this input, and methods or values, whatever you call them. So like we have something like on change, right? So we don't really need to do all those things. It simply handles it, on change and value. So form.register title, it simply registers the title, as simple as this. Similarly, I have to register the descriptions. Over here, I'm registering the description, like over here. So even description is registered, and that is it, nothing else. I don't really need to worry about anything, and whenever I need to have the data, I will get it directly. So that's it. Over here, this thing is also done. And if once that thing is done, and whenever you are adding the value, so you can even check that form.state errors description, whatever description you have added, if that is wrong, then you will be getting the error. and once you got the error, then you can even show that, as simple as that. Same thing happens with the description, same thing happens with the title. Things are same, so you don't need to worry about that. Later we are here that I even need to correct some other things, so I already have this to do over here, so let's make it a to do, and I will be just going through it tomorrow. And this particular thing is done, and from the form I'm actually getting one more thing, that is form.setValue, priority and value. It will simply set the value. The form will get everything. Form will get a title, form will get a description, form will get this priority thing and all. So form will get all these things automatically on change value. Whenever value changes, I get a value. Once I got the value, I'm simply setting it from here. So that is how it simply goes. So this particular thing is also done. And at the end of the day, I have some buttons to cancel and to just simply show the things and all. By the way, when it comes to getting the data, because this is the form, it already has the default values. And when it comes to getting the main data, so over here I'm just clicking, I have handle submit, and I'm giving it the submit function that I created. This automatically gets the data. Why it gets? Form first of all, it stores the data and simply passes to this particular function that I have created, and this is how the things go on. So the benefit of using form is that whenever you use form, you get methods. Use form hook, you get methods. First of all, that gets attached to your form, that has all the information of your form, and then provides many methods like handle, submit, register, and even the last method that I used over here, that is form.setValue. You can even set the value like this, and value on change, so you can just change the values and all. And once all those things is done, then you will call form.handle_submit. You will provide the particular method that you have created, and inside that particular method, the data you will get automatically. Once you got the data, you can just mutate, call mutation on that, and once the mutation is called, then mutation will automatically run a post server action that you created, and for posting the data and all, and that is it. That will simply return the result, and once you got the result, you will just simply, on the basis of that, you will just render something or the other here. And one more thing that I'm using here, that is open. So when the model is when the form is actually open, at that time, if that is open, I'm just simply rendering the button, and if that is not open, I'm rendering the button. If that is open, I will render this particular thing. So this is how that things gets hidden as well, that button. So ultimately that was it. That was all about this Zustand mutation. So ultimately Zustand, Tanstack, React query. So I learned about Zustand, I learned about React query, Tanstack, I learned about validations, Zod, I learned about what? Query provider comes under that only. Yeah, I learned about model, a better way of creating model and all. And the most important thing is that I learned about use form hook and connecting the things together, how the things actually work. Initially, it actually felt like things were too hard or maybe too much for me. But now, as I have explained everything again, now I'm getting the idea, getting the things like how they are actually working. Use form is nothing but a hook that gets attached to your form, that has all the information of your form, that simply provides some methods for your form. If you call those methods, you will not have to create the use state and all. Everything will be done automatically. You have to just worry about the data, fetching the data, and once you got the data, you can just call the mutate on that. And once you call the mutate on that, using server actions, you can actually call the database to save the data. You can get the result and done. So this is how things work. Look, when I was learning it, my mind was like, oh my god, when will this get over? But ultimately, there's really nothing too hard to understand. If you have enough patience, if you are ready to sit at a place, if you are ready to simply go through the things step by step, things becomes easy. Doesn't matter how difficult that thing is. There was a time I used to feel like I may give up. And right now is the time. Doesn't matter how difficult thing there is, there's no way of thinking of giving up. It's just like that. So just have patience, keep working with the things. Things are hard, but if you just give enough time to understand, if you give enough time to just work with the things, they are gonna be easy and you are gonna be doing great. So that was it for now. I'm gonna be catching up soon. Take care, and I'll be back soon with the Python learning and all, and we will be learning together. See you soon.